show you. This is my first reading. See that? Steering axle 11540, drive axle 36420. That's overloaded, overweighted. So drive axle has a problem. It gotta be maximum 34,000. So I have overweighted drive axle. How they load me for 2,420 pounds. Trailer axle is 27,888. So this is my second reading. I was thinking I'm gonna fix it right away, but not yet. So we see the front here. So I can easily go on the front 3 holes, and I can correct. One hole is 250, so I have to go 2 holes. That's 500. So that way I can be under 34,000, right? So we're gonna move tomorrow morning 2 holes, and we should be all legal to go. I was lucky. This is the first scale here, and was first one available anyway. So that's it. Keep watching, guys. Tomorrow I will do the trucking. Don't do the trucking, right? And don't complain too. I meet every day truckers and truck stops, you know, and all I hear is most of them are really complaining, man. I don't know why. If you don't want to do that job, you know, be a teacher, be professor, be construction worker, you know, be doctor, you know, don't be truck driver. That's how I see it. Nice turn, man. Nice turn. Some truckers, most truckers are good drivers, but you know, if they don't complain, would be even more fun to be truck driver. I have yesterday's scenario that truck driver cut me off for no reason, man. And of course, when they cut you off, these new trucks, this 2 years old truck, Freightliner, right? It has a sensor on front and sides, right? So anything comes close to you, it will send a signal to safety department there, and they can give you sure if you're at fault, right? But if they see you are reasonable, it's not your fault, they would not bother you. So shortly, you know, new trucks are better with efficiency, but they have too many sensors, man. I know sensors are made to keep us safe. That's why they're having them, I guess. See that? Yeah, trip. So I'm gonna wait here for my exactly trip order, because I'm going to pick my load here in South Carolina, and I don't want to even start driving until dispatcher tell me exactly information where I'm gonna pick up this load and where I'm going with this load. This load should go to Calgary, Canada. So I will wait here maybe 1 hour until my dispatcher have his coffee and he wake up, you know what I mean? So we'll see. I'm just gonna call him now to see what's going on, yeah. Because I have 20 minutes left. It's Slipper Bird, and I will call him. Sorry buddy, but I gotta call you, man. You gotta get up and smell the coffee. That's what happened, yeah. let's see what he's gonna tell me. Let's see what's going to happen here. Bluetooth is off. Alright. Sometime IU, this is an American plan.
Our phone menu has changed, so listen carefully. If you know the extent of...
Let me ask him if my load is ready.
Your
If
call is
not,
being
I
transferred.
stay here.
Please hold.
Morning, this was you, Drew.
Good morning, Drew.
Hey, I was just looking to see if you grabbed an empty there last night. I think you did, right?
I did, yeah. I'm waiting for your next order.
Okay, well, we're just getting in, right? It's just 8 o'clock, so just
Yeah.
give us a few minutes.
I know. You need your
Hold on, what's
coffee.
I was just trying to look at your logs.
In
What
20,
trailer did you get?
what trailer?
Do you remember the trailer? I can find it in your logs, you know, off the top of your head.
Let me see my...
Oh, okay, hold on.
You're quicker,
That's all
probably.
you got there last night. Booking. Hold on.
Oh, 532.
532-182.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, 532. 532. I'm not sure what time your load's ready yet or anything. We're just getting going here. Did you stay close by?
I am hour from pickup.
You're an hour from Livonia? Okay,
Yeah.
well, just hang tight. Is your break over yet?
20 minutes.
10 hours?
20 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, just hang tight. I'll give you a call when I know what time it's ready.
Yeah,
Okay,
let
if
me
you're
know.
only an hour
I'm
away.
gonna...
I don't want you starting early, okay?
I know. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
All right.
So, you know, company is great. Dispatcher is great, you know. I like to joke with dispatchers because I know their job is not easy to write. But you know, if you have company and they are reasonable to you, why look for another company? It's stupid, you know. Stay with them. With this company, I'm always nice here. 9 years. I'm not gonna change company till my retirement. Really, I have about good 5 years to drive, so I don't need to change. They're really friendly. They're good, you know. Because, and what I say for about new drivers, this is advice: don't move until you find all this information, because once you start rolling, your clock is clicking, where your time is just going. So better stay put. Probably I have 20 minutes to stay here, and he's gonna let me know exactly. I'm about an hour from pickup. That's why, because I'm gonna be efficient, just to drop this baby and